Hi everyone. This is the Harley-Davidson Street Glide Custom by Southeast Custom Cycles, a true hot rod bagger, fully built to a form follows function spec list. Introducing Atlantis. Power comes from the SECC Level 2 power package, featuring Screamin Eagle Custom Components. A 136 foot-pounds of torque, 134 horsepower Milwaukee-Eight engine, equipped with a Maxell camshaft, S&S Quickie pushrods, AIM upgraded clutch springs, and tuned through the TTS fuel management system for maximum performance. Airflow is optimized with the Trask Assault Series air breather, while the Khromewerks Outlaw 2-in-1 exhaust with ghost pipe delivers a deep and aggressive tone. The look of Atlantis is unmistakable, a custom SECC paint set in ocean blue, satin gray, and red pinstriping, paired with a full chassis powder coating in satin gray with red accents. A chopped, detachable Tour-Pak completes the streamlined profile. Rolling on an 18-inch fat tire conversion, with a wrap-style front fender and matching rear wheel, Atlantis features a shredder-style custom wheel set, Arlen Ness Jagged floating rotors, and HHI 6-piston calipers, stopping power to match its performance. Suspension comes courtesy of the Dirty Air Stealth full air ride system, with instant air adjustment, combined with the AF Customs electric center stand. Inside, the ride is enhanced with a custom 4-speaker sound system, 6.5-inch speakers up front, 6x9s in the rear, powered by an amplifier and DSP for crystal clear audio. Every control is hand-selected, factory 47 Delta Series 12-inch handlebars, Arlen Ness Speedliner grips and foot controls, highway pegs, Trask carbon fiber shifter linkage, and Khromewerks custom mirrors. Finally, the seat is fully custom upholstered for comfort and style, completing a machine that's not only built to perform, but built to turn heads. This is Atlantis, a custom bagger that defines power, precision, and presence on the open road.
Stop
Thanks for watching.